Hi everyone, Chingir here, and in today's video I want to talk about ghosting. Many candidates approach me with the question, why companies ghost me? Why I send so many resume applications and I don't hear back? So let me explain from my perspective. When I first came to the country, I was also just like you, a job hunter, a newcomer, looking for a job, not understanding how the market operates. And I was in completely same position. I was applying online, hundreds and hundreds of applications, right? And I never heard back, not even an automated email, right? Saying, hey, sorry, thank you for your interest. Like, we decided to move with other candidates. And at that time I thought, okay, talent acquisition teams are probably understaffed, overworked, and they just don't have time. All kinds of excuses I could think of. I thought, okay, right, there should be a reason why this keeps happening. And then later on, as I accumulated my experience and I went and I've been ghosted at every stage of the interview process. At the phone screen, or after phone screen, no one calls you back. At the first round, second round, I went through the interview through 5 rounds, no one called me back. I went through the interview up to the final senior director stage, and then everyone disappeared, right? And then I just realized, like, once I came to this side of the table, once I became on the talent acquisition side of the table, I just realized whenever someone's ghosting you, they're just being unprofessional. As a simple answer, unprofessionalism. And this is why so many recruiters out there, they have a bad rep, right? You need to understand one thing. In any role, you take any role, not just talent acquisition partner, not just recruiter, but business analyst, CEO, project manager. There will be 99% and there will be top 1%, right? And this top 1%, they're gonna set the standard of how things should be done, right? But if people don't respond to you, first of all, remember that yes, number one answer and the simplest answer, they're being unprofessional. Number two, they have a lot going on, and truly, talent acquisition teams, we are understaffed, we are overworked, and we just juggle a million things, right? And sometimes things fall through the cracks. Always follow up, right? Solid talent acquisition partner will tell you, will set the expectations right away. Hey, all my channels are open. This is our job to bring the best talent, and if we can't, to provide awesome candidate experience. And awesome candidate experience means we need to be fast, we need to be communicative, we need to be responsive, we need to be transparent. You need to always know what's happening at every stage, right? This is a quick video. Don't be discouraged. Again, if you have this experience, you could be dealing with just unprofessional people, right? And if you have this experience, probably you don't want to be with them in the first place. Good luck to you, and I'll see you in the next one.